Twice confirmed traffic. We're going to be talking about this traffic source. This is a monthly update. I'm going to get into it immediately, guys. So if you're interested looking at a review, maybe I've seen other videos, I'll leave a link in the description of this video to a playlist that you can check out. But make sure you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because on a Monday we talk about traffic, and this is one of the traffic sources that I just have plugged into a low ticket offer. I want to share my monthly results. If this resonates for you, great. If it's not, that's absolutely fine. I still want to make the video, and that's the reason why I'm sharing this. So how does this function with my strategy, and what am I doing with it? Okay, so this is not a traffic source that I personally am using to generate tons and tons of leads and sales and stuff like that. But what I am doing is I am generating a consistent amount of commissions so that I potentially can use those commissions. I use it as a funded proposal, as you can see from step 1. It is a sister company to My Lead Gen Secret. I use it as a funded proposal to send to offers, get a commission over there, use those commissions to then pay for higher ticket, or rather better quality traffic, which I will also leave a link in the description for you guys to check out the different sources that I use for higher quality traffic to then build my email list. Okay, so this is just a catalyst. Again, this might not be for everybody, but I wanted to still share my results. I've been in it since the beginning of this year, and I have shared monthly updates. The whole purpose behind me doing these videos is not only to give you guys a little bit of more updates on a monthly basis, but I also want to share with you some realistic results, which maybe people are not talking about. So in case you want this kind of information where you get the honest truth about traffic sources and everything else, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see on my screen right now, the strategy that I use is pretty simple. I have a methodology, which is step number 1, that I leverage a traffic source to an offer. Whatever the offer is, I use My Lead Gen Secret. I use twice confirmed traffic, and I will always say this, and you've heard me in the past also say this: twice confirmed traffic or My Lead Gen Secret is not the best source of traffic. Okay, it is a lower quality source of traffic. But remember, if you guys haven't watched the video that I posted, I believe last week, but I spoke about the 3 kinds of paid traffic, you are going to find different quality traffic sources. So this is one of the quality traffic sources that I use, but it's not the highest quality traffic. Okay, I'm saying this openly so that you are aware. Sometimes people are on a budget. Sometimes people do not have you might not have all the resources available, so you can leverage it basically as a catalyst in order for you to make those initial commissions, get a feeling of what it is to earn commissions online in this wealth niche, and then focus on the skill sets. I will always say this. This is why on a Wednesday I talk about the tools that I use, build my email list and everything else, and on Friday I go over the strategies that are necessary us to learn in order for you to keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. So that's the whole goal over here. I don't want to hype it up. I want to give you realistic answers, and I want to tell you how it is. So that is personally how I use it. The best traffic source, guys, that you can find is warm traffic. This is going to be always the best traffic source, and that you can get warm traffic from any kind of social media platform, even paid ads. You can warm that traffic up. I would say Facebook ads, Google ads, and stuff like that are more higher quality traffic. The way that twice confirmed traffic works is that they are confirming already twice before they come to you, and then therefore they bought something, that they've got some kind of approval from the system itself, and that's why they share those leads, or rather they share the clicks of those leads to you. So you get a consistent amount of clicks every single month. It's really important to focus on traffic. So this is one of the sources that I use. It's not my primary source, but it's one of the sources that I use, and I have been enjoying my journey. I want to share with you guys the results. So far, I have basically broken even in the last month and the previous month before that. So we'll go over twice confirmed traffic. Let me just log in and I'll share with you more. All right, guys. So if you find the link in the description and you want to get started, once you sign up to twice confirmed traffic, this is the page that you'll be at. Now, the cost for you to maintain this account, it's pretty much a plug and play kind of traffic source, because you don't really have to maintain it. You don't have to send any email. It's just like kind of drip traffic that comes to you, drip clicks that come to you every single month, and you get it for $60 every single month. So it's $59.95 or something like that, but it is about $60 per month that you're spending on it. So the minimum amount you want to get to be able to break even is $60. Now, I am primarily promoting Lead Lightning on twice confirmed traffic. So if you are if you're a Lead Lightning member or a PLS member and you're using this tool or this low ticket offer, which is evolving and it's got really good products and services. So I'm happy to share this traffic there, because even though it's a low ticket offer, it still has a lot of good information, and it at the end of the day shares the skill sets, and it's consistently evolving into a better and better platform. So it has its setbacks as any other, but it does work and does convert. And I've been a part of Lead Lightning since 2015, 2016. I don't even remember when. So it's been quite a long time that I'm a part of Lead Lightning itself. I spent $7 once for it, and it has definitely earned me way more than that over the last few years. Okay, so I've got my money back and more. Okay, and more, honestly. So it's a good product. I didn't want to waste that product. I wanted to keep that source running. I decided to plug traffic directly to a lead capture page within Lead Lightning and get those commissions on the back end for Lead Lightning. And obviously, when people do sign up for Lead Lightning, they also get access to my primary offer. That's how I'm leveraging it. Okay, so it's kind of filtering out the people, and the ones that do go to my primary offer are the ones that are really, really interested, because obviously they pass through one offer and they've decided to invest a little bit more, get into the skill sets of affiliate marketing through the back end offer that I have. In a nutshell, that's what I'm using. Now, in Twice Confirmed Traffic itself, they have this confirmation bay, which is one of the tools that they give you. You can see that you can submit a sale confirmation, so the members can submit every single time they make a sale. They can submit it as a confirmation here, or they can and they can, you can see those statistics in the confirmation based stats. So if I go here, you'll see that there are some offers, which is the OLSP Academy, Leads Leap, Live Good, the System.io has them, Momentum Tech, Affiliate Mentor. These are offers that are converting at the moment with this traffic. Okay, now this is just a portion of the members, because not everybody actually reports their sale. The Lead Lightning, as you can see, is not there. Even though I'm reporting it, I might be the only member who's reporting it, so it's not available here, but I am getting sales on Lead Lightning from this traffic source itself. It's the only traffic that I have going to Lead Lightning. I don't have it going anywhere else. And if it is from YouTube, the Lead Lightning source, I can see that it's coming from YouTube. And that's one of the reasons why I like promoting Lead Lightning on Twice Confirmed Traffic, because it does track really well. So if I have my video on YouTube, because I do have a video on YouTube on Lead Lightning, it does track if it's coming from YouTube. But the sales that I'm getting right now are pretty much, because I don't update the video on Lead Lightning, it's not my primary offer. So currently the sales that I'm getting are purely from Twice Confirmed Traffic. So I'm going to share with you guys kind of my sales results for the last month. We're going to count it. We're going to do it together, and you will also see how much I've earned for the last month. Let's get into it. So here I am, guys, on Lead Lightning, and as you can see, I have actually $30 in commissions available for me to transfer if I want to transfer that out. But I'm gonna go to details right here, because you can see right here the last commission that I got was 4 days ago. We'll go to details, and you will see in this month, this is the history of the sale. But basically this month I have made one sale on the 27th, the other sale on the 20th, 11th and 6th. So basically it's about a sale a week that's coming in from specifically Twice Confirmed Traffic. And this means that it is not only $6 per sale, but it's also, I know that I'm getting quite a bit of leads, and this is just showing you the sales. But if I show you the leads that come in, so if I go to all categories right here, you'll see that I got an opt-in on the 28th, I got opt-in on 3 opt-ins on the 28th, 4 opt-ins on the 28th, sorry. Then I earned a commission on the 27th, new opt-in on the 27th as well, of 3 to 4 opt-ins on average, 3 to 4 opt-ins on average every single day. So you can see the whole month of July has been a decent amount of opt-ins, but the times that I made a sale was on the 6th, the 11th, and 20th, and then on the 27th. So about one sale a week. So that's 4 sales in this last month. So that's 6 into 4, which is $24 in commissions so far for this month of July from Twice Confirmed Traffic. Now I am also going to I do promote Twice Confirmed Traffic only on this YouTube channel, and I do have some commissions coming in from Twice Confirmed Traffic. So I'm going to share with you also how many commissions I made as an affiliate of Twice Confirmed Traffic. Now I will say this, there is an advantage if people do join Twice Confirmed Traffic, because, and I'll go through that and share with you why I'm actually promoting it also on YouTube, so that you guys understand why I'm doing this. But it is eventually to get more sales in Lead Lightning. That's my whole purpose, is to get more sales in Lead Lightning. I want to at least cover the cost. Okay, so you can see right here, I'm not covering the cost of Twice Confirmed traffic from just Lead Lightning. So that's why Twice Confirmed traffic actually being an affiliate is quite cool, because I look at it as bonus commissions, but the aim also over there is to get basically more sales here. And why do those commissions or rather, why do those people who are joining Twice Confirmed traffic with my link in the description of this video decide, and how does it help me in the long term for this number to improve? I'm going to tell you that in a second, but let's look at the commissions first. All right, guys, so you can see I've put this month over here in the commissions, and you can see that it's only showing you the commissions that I've earned this month. So I have personally 3 people who have directly signed up under my link, and you can see that I got 1 person this last month. And you know who you are if you're watching this video. I know that you know who you are, so it's fine. But just to show you, that means $10 per person that joins on the first level, and then I got 2 commissions on the second level. That means one of these people who have joined is promoting it also, and has a couple of people who are active, and I've got commissions from those active people. And that means that this month totally I've earned. So let's count these commissions. It's 10. It's actually 46, because it's 10, 20, 30, and then here another 16, so it's $46 in commissions for this last month. It shows totally earned, and how much is not paid is because totally earned doesn't include the not paid. So this is what it is. I already made a withdrawal, guys, this month of over $60. So it's now I'm basically paid off my amount for the month. I've already got paid for that, but just to let you know, this is 36 and 10, so that's 46. Okay, so we add 46 right here, and that means for this last month of July, I've basically got a $10 profit. Okay, for this last month, I've got a $10 profit. I'm covering my cost now of Twice Confirmed traffic. Now let me share with you why this is important. Perfect, guys. Just to share with you exactly why this is important, you can see from this description right here, I have 3 active first level referrals, and I have 75% bonus traffic. So the way the compensation plan works for Twice Confirmed traffic, and this is how it's going to help me eventually for Lead Lightning, right? Which is what my focus is. Besides the fact that it's helping me cover my costs, but I want to have at least 200% traffic. So as you can see right below, each new referral just on the first level, okay, this is not second level, this is not third level, it's up to 5 levels. Just on the first level, normal referral commission, you get $10 per person that's on the first level, $8 second level, 6, and then it goes to 2. But let's say just $10. $10 on the first level means that is what I'm earning. But each person that you have that is active, so if they're not active, you get less. Get less bonus traffic. If they're active, you get 25% commissions more. So 3 means 75% commissions more, as you guys can see right here. Sorry, not commissions, 25% bonus traffic. Let's say you're getting 100 clicks, you'll get 125% of that. 105 if I'm not mistaken. Then you'll get 50% of that will give you more than that, 25 percent, then 50%, 75%, 100%. So let's say getting 100 clicks. By the 4th referral, you'll be at 200 clicks. This is just a hypothetical example that I'm giving you, but it's for you to understand, right? So if you want double the amount of clicks that you're getting as a normal member, you need 8 people totally. And that's the max, okay? It caps out at 8. So my aim right now, I'm on 3. I would like to get 100% more traffic. But as I get more referrals, without counting this $10, because obviously if I get 8 people, I'm making $80. So I cover my costs. But if I don't count that, I'm going to get 200% commissions, which should result to more income in terms of my earnings on Lead Lightning. So that is my focus. It's not the $10. Honestly, if no one joins, doesn't matter. I'm going to still be sending traffic to Lead Lightning, right? Since I want to make Lead Lightning a good commission source for me, I want to have 200% commission, 200% traffic on bonus traffic on specifically Lead Lightning. And most probably, let's say I'm making now 4 sales a week, I would make at least 8 sales to even more than that. Okay, if I make around, basically if I want to make up 60, I have to make 10 sales per month. So obviously if I want to just make up the amount I'm spending for Twice Confirmed traffic, then I need to make at least 10 sales every single month. The aim over there obviously at that stage is, I believe I'll make definitely more than 10 sales, which covers my cost. And in the meantime, the $80 that I will earn once I have that 200% commissions is also a bonus income that's coming in, right? But again, it's not for the $10. I'm telling you this because it's for the traffic purely. I don't focus on this traffic source. I know I'm not really selling it right now, and I don't want to sell it. I'm just keeping things realistic as they are. These are traffic sources that I don't hang my hat on completely because yes, they are here for years. They've been there for years, to be honest. And there are multiple other traffic sources like this, but they're lower quality traffic sources, guys. They're co-registration leads at the end of the day. They're low quality traffic sources, so you cannot hope for anything else. Even if I go back here and I show you from the confirmation base stats, okay, you'll be able to see right here that the majority of the traffic gets paid within $25 to $50. Okay, this is 30% of the traffic. This is the price point. So ultimately, yes, it's a $6 commission, but I am positioned in Lead Lightning actually to earn more than that. Okay, so I am commissioned in Lead Lightning position, sorry, in Lead Lightning to earn also commissions from this right here. But this sale is $37. Okay, this sale is $37. It gives me, although it gives me 25%, sorry, $25 in commissions each sale that I make here. So potentially I could make $31, which is within this range, as you can see right here, of the price points. And that's personally what I would like to have. The Twice Confirmed traffic doesn't just get $6 commissions, but it gets up to $31 in commissions for me every single week, because then it will be definitely worth it than having this traffic source in place. I'm giving it this year. This is just a trial year that I have. And if you guys want to join along, then the link is in the description. If you want to try it with your offers, the link is in the description. All you need to do is you could go, once you signed up, you need to put your link in Traffic Shifter right here. You'll be able to add multiple links, but I would suggest not to add more than 2 or 3. And because then it splits the traffic throughout those. And if you do have the same link, I would add to multiple sources rather than just anything else, because that way, even if it's split, you're still getting a lump sum of clicks to that main offer. And I would also recommend everybody to send it to not your primary email lead capture source. The reason being, I shared this in the past, but I'm going to say this again, is that these are co-registration leads. They're on other people's lists. If you send it to your primary email service provider, let's say you're using Aweber, the moment you do this, because they look at their IPs, this is a little bit technical, but I'm going to say it anyway, because they look at their IPs and everything else, though when you email, the deliverability drops if they don't open and they don't click. And these leads potentially, because they're on so many people's lists, they potentially will not open so many of your emails, specifically initially, and you want them. So then they put your IP as a bad IP because of the fact that you're not getting opens, and that goes into a different bucket. So it can harm you, which is why I say filter it out, get the people to open. And then the second step is, once they've already got a buying decision from you, they enter into your main offer, which is why I use Lead Lightning, to be honest. That's it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Hopefully you like this video. Again, this was just a quick update. I didn't want to do anything else besides give you guys a quick update. If you're interested in joining Twice Confirmed Traffic, the link is below. Let me know. I'm happy to help in any way possible, but it's a pretty simple, done for you kind of traffic source, because you just literally plug in your link there and you don't need to really worry about it. As long as you're paying that $60 per month, you should be fine. I would say test it out for 6 to 12 months, see whether it makes sense for you, and then move forward. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here.